If you're experiencing a slow installation loop while setting up Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to help speed up the process. This guide will walk you through some effective methods to improve your installation experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for Cyberpunk 2077. Having adequate hardware can significantly reduce installation times and improve performance. Step 2. Close background applications. Before starting the installation, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and allow the installation process to run more smoothly. Step 3. Use a wired connection. If you're downloading the game, switch to a wired internet connection instead of Wi-Fi. A stable and faster internet connection can help speed up the download and installation process. Step 4. Disable antivirus temporarily. Sometimes antivirus software can interfere with game installations. Temporarily disable your antivirus program to see if it improves the installation speed. Remember to re-enable it after the installation is complete. Step 5. Install on SSD. If possible, install Cyberpunk 2077 on a solid-state drive SSD rather than a traditional hard drive HDD. SSDs offer much faster read and write speed, which can significantly reduce installation times. By following these steps, you should be able to speed up the installation process for Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy your gaming experience.